G'day guys, welcome back. Something a bit different again today. I've got the two ferals with me. We just come over to have a look at it. The neighbour's harvesting some corn, so another sort of aspect of it that's getting harvested for grain. So if you've been watching on and saw the silage one the other day, yeah, this is sort of another part of it. This stuff will go through to either stock feed again, or it'll be yeah, cornflakes and that sort of stuff for human consumption. So what process? Just a normal harvester. We probably won't get a run on it. These rows, this is sown on 30-inch rows, and as you can see, that's the remaining cob without the corn kernels on it. So the machine got, I think it's sort of got it running the rotor at about 200 revs per minute, whereas in cereals we'd be up around that 1,000. And yeah, it's essentially just rolling those kernels off the cob. So yeah, not too sure what this variety is. I'll chuck the drone up and have a look at that. But this stuff, I think Josh said who's in the header, said it's about 15.5–16% moisture. So they're gonna actually cart it to town, and there's a drying facility in town. Yeah, it's got to be under 14% to be able to get sent into the receivals. So it's the weekend here. The girls are having cob fights at the moment, which is right in the head. So anyway, it's a bit of fun. But yeah, as you can see here, compared to when they were doing the silage, there's quite a lot of trash left here on the ground. You also see a cob here that's come out. It's got a bit of mice damage in it, so the mice have been having a bit of a chew on it. But if I probably can't do it if I can hold the camera between my legs. Oh, sorry, you still there? I'll just break that open for you. Yeah, you can sort of just see how easily, when it's ripe or close to ripe, those kernels will just roll off that. Yeah, so and that's what you end up with in the bin of the header. So the front, it's got a series of rollers on it and drag, or what they call feeding chains or dragging chains. So it actually pulls the stalk down through the front. So you're really only putting the cob itself through the machine. Yeah, so it's running an 8250, so it's the newer big brother of our machine, and I think, not too sure whether it's an 8-row front, but yeah, you can sort of see there's not a lot of chaff coming out of the back of the machine. And yeah, they've actually came and borrowed our mother bin the other day. They've got a mother bin of their own, but yeah, got rain forecast tomorrow, so they're a bit limited on how much they can harvest. They've got I think 600 tonne flat bottom silo here that they're going to put a couple of 100 tonne in, and then they'll fill our two mother bins. They'll fill their mother bin and our mother bin, and yeah, that'll be about the end of it. So but yeah, it's sort of weatherman's got 30–40 mil forecast for the week, so they're going to be a bit snookered. So yeah, anyway, something different.